Welcome to JH. I've been testing out this Inositol and Inositol supplement for a few weeks now, and I'm genuinely impressed with how it's supported my overall wellness. It comes in a convenient veggie capsule, delivering a potent blend of 2,000 milligrams of Inositol and 50 milligrams of Inositol. This follows a 40-to-1 ratio, which is supposedly the magic number for hormonal balance and metabolic support, because apparently, our endocrine systems are very particular about their math. The formula doesn't stop there. It also includes 680 micrograms of folate, 1,000 IU of vitamin D3, and 25 milligrams of vitex berry extract. It's a comprehensive approach to reproductive health and hormonal harmony, or as I like to call it, a polite attempt to convince my internal chemistry to stop acting like a moody teenager. Since starting this, I've noticed a legitimate boost in my energy and mood. My cycles feel more regular, and I finally feel balanced overall, which is a nice change of pace from my usual state of total chaos. I also love that it's made with non-GMO ingredients and undergoes third-party lab testing for quality assurance. It's always refreshing to know that purity isn't just a marketing buzzword for, "We hope there's no dust in here." It has become an effortless part of my daily routine, and I plan to keep it that way. After all, supporting my health in a natural and sustainable way is much better than the alternative of just crossing my fingers and hoping for the best.